How to create link for the photos in Google Drive. First step, you will have to open your Google in any browser. Like in my case, I'm opening through the Chrome browser. So after opening the Google in your browser, you will have to open your Google Drive here. So Google Drive. So once you are logged in your Google Drive, navigate to the selected folders or desired folder that you want to save the photos on it. So I have opened this photos folder. So now you have to select the photos, as you can select multiple or select single. So I'm selecting the single, and then you have to right click on the picture, or you can simply click on this three line. So click on this three line, and from here you have to choose option share for. So now from here you can scroll down and change the settings for sharing options, like you can restrict a person or provide the access to anyone with the link. So if you have any specific people whom you want to share the pictures, so simply you have to type their email address here in the section add people group or calendar event. After you done the settings, you have to copy the link and send it to whom you want to share the picture. So if this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more short tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.